said
Master degree.
earlier, maybe I need to fix my heart first. Because if we have a pure heart, so we can see something that the people cannot see it. Maybe we have something like how to say that in maybe in Indonesia kasih sayang, love, like love, yeah.
Romantic love.
Yeah, romantic. So we have it because we have a pure heart inside our inside our heart, our life. We have it. So it is the one most important that I thought we need to have it. That is success for me.
That is not success. Good. Thank you. Maybe Mr. Fahmi?
Alright.
About going to postgraduate. Doctoral
No, I don't think so. Maybe even though many of people say that thing, but I don't think that it is the one factor that make me success. Because if I have it, maybe like the postgraduate when I get the master degree, but
Yes.
I don't feel that I'm like the person who has success because at that thing, maybe I get the master degree, but I don't have a pure heart. I can see something that important, maybe like that. Love, I can see it. Even though many people can see, many people have it, but most of them don't have it. So how could you have it? Maybe if you have a wealth, maybe you're busy with your wealth. You're busy of it. You're busy with your activity. So you can